Hello everyone, Jongah here. For today, I'll talk about how you can reply in Korean if you receive a compliment. Normally, it's common to humbly deny a compliment in Korea, especially when it's about one's appearance. You can say 아니에요 or 아닙니다 to politely deny the compliment given to you. For example, when someone says, "Wow, you're so smart," or "You look so pretty," you can reply by saying 아니에요. Remember to smile when saying it. Alternatively, you can also say 감사합니다 or 고마워요 politely if you really are proud of your appearance or quality. Both of these words mean thank you. What compliment have you received lately? Let us know in the comments below. Bye!